So, as I've been talking about, found out today, is my garage door made a big popping sound with this little spring doodad. Is slightly broken. So I have a dilemma. Do I be the man of the house and fix said garage door spring, which would make me feel like this? Slapping in the wind. Daddy saves the day. Or do I heed the advice of my very close neighborhood friend that can literally fix anything, that said it might be a smidge dangerous and end up like this? I'm in a conundrum. Let's see. As my wife has suggested, hello, Griffin. Yeah, I need to turn in my man card. And, can you come charge me oodles of money to come fix my garage door spring, please? Okay. You take blood. I got a little bit of blood on the ground here, but, I tried it myself. I YouTubed it, but yeah, don't YouTube it. It actually is dangerous. Oh, okay. Alright, so, alright, thanks. Come fix my door.